That's all bogus. That's totally fraud. It's complete fraud. And don't believe it. It's lying. It's another one of these things that the fertility centers that have been acquired by private equity are pushing because you obviously want to have the baby naturally. You don't want to do IVF, but you may have to do IVF. And that might be the only thing that works. And I would recommend mini-IVF, not huge doses of medications, but minor doses of medications to get the best results. But no, there is no medication that can improve your AMH, no medication that can improve your sperm count, no medication that can increase your number of eggs. There's no such thing as ovarian rejuvenation. That is all a lie. And I think it's well known that I'm one of the world's experts on this, having done all these ovary transplants, operating in mice and in humans, doing ovary transplants in humans, looking really inside the ovary and how it works and what controls primordial follicle recruitment. Everybody, I think, knows that I'm the world's expert on that. So I can come out and just tell you that ovarian rejuvenation is complete baloney. Don't fall for that.